Many Halloween costumes are not complete until a person puts on a mask. Whether you bought your mask weeks ago or plan a last-minute purchase, have you ever wondered how many other people tried on that mask before you did?
Only on ABC 17 News tonight, ABC 17's Jillian Furtick took a few masks to a biologist to find out what's left behind. And Jillian, even the scientist was surprised what turned up in just 24 hours.
Well, I bought 3 masks from costume stores here in Columbia, 1 plastic and then 2 of these rubber masks which cover the entire head. I asked a biologist with the University of Missouri to swab these masks to see what's left behind after people try them on. And what she found after just 24 hours might make you think twice before you buy a mask that's unpackaged.
It happens every year. The search for that perfect costume involves trying on different ensembles and accessories, like masks. But what's found inside the mask could be more frightening than what's outside. I bought 3 masks from Halloween stores and took them to an MU biologist, Dr. Bethany Stone, so she could test for bacteria. This was Tuesday morning. She swabbed around the mouth area, the eyes, nose, and the outside of each mask.
We will incubate or store these plates at 37 degrees Celsius, which is 98.7 degrees Fahrenheit, so body temperature. So the odds are that the bacteria we are growing could grow on a human body.
Once the cultures were collected, Dr. Stone put them in the incubator for 24 hours.
Bacteria is everywhere.
It's now Wednesday morning. We found hundreds of colonies of bacteria we typically can't see.
Bacteria grew from almost every part of the mask. Each colony, each little spot on these petri dishes is one bacteria cell that has gone on to divide and become multiple cells, enough for us to be able to see with the naked eye.
The rubber devil mask had the most growth.
The devil mask was especially contaminated, if you will, on around the mouth. So we have, 500 or so colonies is an estimate there. I was surprised this morning when I opened up that incubator and saw this many colonies.
The wolf mask registered the second most bacteria, centered mainly around the mouth area, followed by the plastic skull mask, also suffering the highest bacteria around its mouth. Despite the large amount of growth, Dr. Bethany Stone says most of these bacteria are harmless, but there is still a little concern.
The only thing at this point that I would be concerned by is if a child, for example, has an open sore, maybe a cut on the face, and that would be an opening where the bacteria might be able to get in and cause problems, cause a staph infection.
Stone says if parents are concerned, the best way to get rid of the germs is to wipe down the mask with rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer, focusing especially on the mouth, nose, and eyes.
I checked 3 different stores selling Halloween costumes. Gotcha Costumes in downtown Columbia was the only one where I found masks in closed packaging. Dr. Stone tells me it would require further testing to find out if any of the bacteria found on the masks were disease-causing pathogens.
All right, thanks, Jillian.
Dr. Stone says the bacteria would probably grow to cover the entire petri dish if it was incubated for more than a week.